Congratulations on the purchase of your new WaterChef Premium Undersink Filtration System. You have taken an important step toward improving the quality of your water. Remove all system parts from the shipping carton and place them on your kitchen counter. Compare them with the parts shown in the system manual to be certain that all items are included. If your sink has an existing hole that is between 3/8 and 1 inch in diameter, you may use this hole for your faucet installation. If your sink does not have an existing hole, one will need to be drilled. Refer to your system manual for the drilling instructions for the specific sink type. Extreme care should be taken since sinks and/or countertops can easily chip or scratch. If you have any doubts about doing this yourself, consult a licensed plumber for this step. Slide the faucet base ring up the faucet tubing and onto the faucet stem. Next, insert the cable into sink hole, followed by faucet tubing and faucet stem, being careful not to crimp the cable. From under the sink, guide cable through the hole in the spacer, small side up, into the small notched area of the spacer hole. Insert the faucet tubing through the main spacer hole and guide the spacer onto the faucet stem. Be sure that the cable remains in the notched area of the spacer as you slide the tubing and stem through the spacer to avoid damaging the cable. Thread wing nut onto faucet stem and hand tighten. Final faucet positioning may require 2 people when tightening the wing nut. Before attempting this installation, be certain to turn off the cold water supply located under your sink. If a shutoff valve is not located on the cold water line under your kitchen sink, shut off the main water supply to your home. Using an open-ended wrench, unthread the compression nut located on top of the shutoff valve on existing cold water supply line. Thread the T-valve onto cold water supply line, then tighten with open-ended wrench. Next, thread the compression nut onto the top of the T-valve and tighten. Last, press the red tubing into the outlet connector located on the T-valve. Press opposite end of red tubing into red inlet connector located on top of lid assembly. Once inserted completely, give tubing a gentle tug to make sure it has been properly seated in the fitting to create a permanent seal. Attach the provided Velcro adhesive strips to the back of the intelligent monitor. Push the blue tubing from the system faucet into the outlet connector located on the intelligent monitor. Using the remaining blue tubing provided, push one end of the tubing firmly into the outlet connector located on lid assembly, and the remaining end of tubing firmly into the inlet connector located on the intelligent monitor. Insert cable connector into cable port located on intelligent monitor. Then insert battery shuttle into battery port located on the monitor. The LED indicators located on the system faucet will flash green, yellow, and red 5 times. This sets the rated capacity counter to 0 gallons. Be sure not to remove the battery shuttle until it is time to replace the filter cartridge. Doing so may result in loss of data. Locate an area on the cabinet wall to mount the intelligent monitor. Secure intelligent monitor to the wall using Velcro adhesive strips. Slowly turn your cold water supply on, checking to see that all hose, clamp, and housing connections are tight and do not leak. Check that the T-valve is open by ensuring that the lever is pointing in the direction of the red tubing. If it is not, rotate the lever to the open position. Turn system faucet on. Water will begin to fill the filter housing. Once water begins to flow from the system faucet, the green LED indicator will begin flashing to indicate peak system operation. Allow the system to flush into sink for 15 minutes. This will remove any carbon particles left from the manufacturing process, expel trapped air, and condition the filter cartridge for normal use. Congratulations! Your new WaterChef filtration system is fully installed and ready to enjoy.